Movie summary. Open me if you believe in true friendship. Curious, Zico the parrot greets them and says, to return home, you must complete 3 friendship challenges. Courage, teamwork. We face this together. Learning that courage grows stronger with support. And forgiveness. They open it and suddenly a bright light surrounds them. Ollie solves clues and Salma draws a map to escape. They realize that together, they're unstoppable. In a blink, and a magical rainbow appears. They're transported to a magical friendship island, filled with talking animals, candy houses. Ollie feels upset, but Salma reminds him, and glowing trees. They're welcome. Challenge 1. The Forest of Fear. Salma is scared of the eerie purple fog and strange forest sounds, but Ollie takes her hand and says, I'm here. They cross the forest side by side. Challenge 2. The Maze of Time. Return home with a magical friendship ring that glows every time they do something kind together. Their friendship becomes stronger. Every day feels like a new adventure, and a twisty puzzle maze with riddles blocks their paths. Challenge 3. The River of Regret. Zico crashes and breaks Ollie's flying invention by mistake. Real friends say kind words even when they're hurt. Ollie forgives Zico. The happy ending day.